How do you use standard deviations ICT? Okay. The red level down here is the sell side liquidity. Okay. This is a finite level. This is something I know is real. It's going to have a real impact on price. It's going to draw price down there. The market, the algorithm is going to reprice there because there's real orders down there. How many orders does it take? One. What? Yeah. The market's going to go to old highs, old lows, and inefficiencies, whether there's real large amounts of orders or not. That's why I'm trying to tell you, it's not the buying selling pressure that does this. The market's going to do this like a video game. It's going to go to its boundaries and stop, turn around and go the other direction until it's met with some other reason to go another direction or consolidate. That's what's going on. This level here, what I do is I start looking for standard deviations that get at that level or past it. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean by that. If we are looking at this range from here to that low, that is equivalent to one standard deviation. So about this far here would be standard deviation -1. About here would be standard deviation -2. And this would be negative standard deviation 2.5. So meaning that here would be 1. You see it right here. 1.5. 2. Now 2 is good. Why is 2 good? Because it's below where the sell side is. So look at the reaction here. We go to it here and we consolidate and then we run one more time. Here's negative standard deviation 2.5 right there. We wick down to the random level of a 5-minute discount buy side and balance sell side efficiency low. Let me show you over here. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for a convergence of standard deviations and reaching into specific PD arrays. So yes, below this level there's sell side, but it can be overzealous and dig into a deeper discount where that 5-minute fair value gap is. So this is good, but if we use standard deviation 3 down here, -3 here, which does what? It trades to and just past, which is allowing for what? A mohawk at the 15-minute buy side and balance sell side efficiency consequent encroachment. That would be the best case scenario for me today. And remember, I said I wanted to see how we trade at that level. Look how many times we've been to it here, consolidating, 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 wick through it to take out that low, and we're just hanging around. What is it respecting also? Look how the random price action, look at the price action around that 5-minute buy side and balance sell side efficiency. Hammered, hammered, respecting it, the low. See how price is gravitating to these levels here? Folks, that's real support and resistance. When you anticipate that and anticipate how price should behave around it, if the price run has done its run to where I was looking for, it has delivered every possible scenario that would satisfy me for a London session. Once it does so, all it's going to do is consolidate and work with the levels that's already predefined.